Good evening, student. Today we are going to see the fifth unit supplementary, the singing lesson. Actually, the supplementary written by Catherine Mansfield. Before going to the story, just see the author introduction for the Catherine Mansfield. Okay, about the author. Kathleen Mansfield Murray, 1888 and 1923, was a New Zealand short story writer who wrote under the pen name Catherine Mansfield. Actually, the full name of the Catherine Mansfield is the Kathleen Mansfield Murray. He was born in 1888 and he was died, and she was not he. Actually, this is a female name, and she was died in 1923. He was a New Zealand short story writer. His writing is most of the short story under his pen name. Pen name is nothing, Punai Payer, the Catherine Mansfield. She left New Zealand at the age of 19 and settled in the United Kingdom, where she gained the friendship of great writers such as D.H. Lawrence and Virginia Woolf. And also, Catherine Mansfield left New Zealand at the age of 19, and he settled there in the United Kingdom, where she got great writers friendship. The name of the great writers is T.H. Lawrence and the Virginia Woolf. And Bless and the Garden Party were collection of short stories written by her. And also Katrina Mansfield written some short stories, collections of short stories, include the Blesses and the Garden Party. And also she wrote many poems and collected letters for a great success. And also Katrina Mansfield wrote so many poems, and also she got success in the collection of letters. Okay, this is about the author. Now see the lesson. Okay, see here. Actually, you can understand the singing lesson. Singing lesson itself, you can understand. This is a music class. Okay, what's going to happen in the music lesson? Just see. It's actually normal lessons while the teacher teaching in the classroom. Here also they mention the singing lesson here. Now read the story, the singing lesson, in which the attitude of the aggrieved music teacher undergoes a drastic change in keeping with their mood. Actually, the singing lesson, the attitude teacher is going to teach the lesson, the music, while he got some sadness. How their mood going to change while teaching the lesson? It is the main theme of this story. Just listen. With despair, cold, sharp despair, buried deep in her heart like a wicked knife, Miss Meadows, in cap and gown, and carrying a little baton, trod the cold corridors that led to the music hall. Okay, here the Miss Meadows is a teacher. He is a music teacher. While she is going to the music hall at that moment, she was much of pain in her heart. She had so much of worries in his heart. The worry is like a wicked knife. Wicked knife is nothing. While someone is going to stab a person, at the time what the incident, what they were feel like that, he feels so much. At that moment she is going to the musical. At that time he kept carrying a little baton. Baton is nothing, a stick. It is used to play the music, and she is simply walking to the on the cold corridors. Cold corridors is nothing, it is the winter season. It was very cold in the corridors. She was walking to the music hall. Girls of all ages rosy from the air and bubbling over with their gleeful excitement that comes from the running to school on a fine autumn morning, hurried, skipped, flittered by. From the hollow classroom came a quick drumming of voices. A bell rang. Okay, now see, from here all the age group of girls, all the age group means a different girls. It means every classes of girls are going to the musical. At the time their faces were rosy color because it was the winter season, so everyone face is turned into the rosy, in rose color, and bubbling over with a gleeful excitement. And also every girls, the students are getting so much of excitement because they are going to the schools. They are getting so much of happy and comes from running to school. At the moment they are going to the school with runningly, don't they didn't walk, they are going very fast. And fine autumn morning, it was a autumn morning, They are going very fast and to also skip. Skip is nothing. They are jumping themselves and they are going to the classroom. Flitter is nothing. Flying in the air. They are going fast and jumping and also flying from the hollow classroom. Hollow classroom is nothing. The classroom was empty, so the everyone are getting very fast and jumping and flying into enter into the empty classroom. Came quick drumming of voices. At that time they are going to the classroom with a drumming of voices. While getting the drums voice that time, how much he got voice, like that they are going to the drumming of voices into the classroom. At that moment the bell rang. A voice like a bird cried Mril. At that time, the children got some voice. The voice came from the birds. It called like a Muril. The sound of the voice is Muril. Actually, someone called Muril, but the voice compared to the bird's voice. Okay, see next. And then there came from the staircase a tremendous knocking. Some had dropped her dumbbells. At that moment, they are going to the staircase. They are got so much of knocking sound. Tremendous is nothing. A huge knocking sound. It was knock and knocking. So someone had dropped her dumbbells. At that sound is coming from the dumbbells. It means someone they felt they dropped the dumbbells. It sound come from the dumbbells. The science mistress stopped Miss Meadows. While Miss Meadows is going to the music hall, at that moment the science mistress is nothing, science teacher stopped the Miss Meadows and said good morning. She cried in her sweet affected tones. Isn't it cold? It might be winter. At that moment, just see the science teacher wished to the Miss Meadows and with sweetly untold affected roles. It means slowly she wished and always she is speaking very slowly for the science mistress. And isn't it cold? And asked to the Miss Meadows. Actually, the climate is very cold and it might be winter. It means the winter is going to start like that. The science mistress informed to Miss Meadows. Miss Meadows, hugging the life, stared in hatred at the science mistress. At that moment, science mistress also going to watch the to see the science mistress with the herder without happy. It means okay, everything about her was sweet, pale like honey. But science mistress always been very sweet, and also she was color was very pale and like honey. You would not have been surprised to see a bee caught in the tangles of that yellow hair. And also she was very beautiful miss. So we can't able to surprise because he is always be very beautiful. You can see, you can think, but his hair, yellow hair, can the honeybee can going to tangle twisted in the hair also, like that he was so much of beautiful teacher. It is rather soft, said Miss Meadows grimly. Yes, now the Miss Meadows answered. Yes, the cold was very sharp, said Miss Meadows grimly. Grimly is nothing, unwillingly, it's sadly. And the other smiled a surgery smile. And also she smiled to the science mister with surgily, simply. And see the next. You look you look frozen, said she. She refers to the science mistress. Simply said to the Miss Meadows, you are looking so sad. What happened like that? She again asked. Her blue eyes opened wide. There came a mocking light in them. Had she noticed anything? So now see her blue eyes open. Her blue eyes refers to Miss Meadows' blue eyes open, and there came a mocking light in them. Just she felt herself. Can the science mistress identify anything or notice anything herself like that? She think herself, Miss Meadows. Oh, not quite as bad as that, said Miss Meadows. Suddenly, the Miss Meadows replied, "That much of not that much of bad. You are thinking like that. I am happy." And she gave the science mistress in the exchange of her smile a quick grimace and passed on. Simply, she exchanged the smile and also she expressed her and to passed on to the music hall. Forms 4, 5 and 6 were assembled in the music hall. It means it's nothing. The class, 4th class and 5th class and 6th class students are assembled in the music hall. The noise was deafening because there are 3 classes are assembled in the music hall. So the noise sound was, it was making so much. It is can't able to hear the sound in the musical on the platform is nothing on the stage. It means in the music halls in the center classroom by the piano, nearby the piano stood by Mary Besley, Miss Meadows favorite. Actually Mary Besley is nothing, she is one of the teacher. He is favorite to Miss Meadows. Who played accompaniments? Always the both of them are played into the musical. Actually Mary Besley is helpful to the Miss Meadows while playing the music class in the music hall. She was turning the music stool. At that moment, Mary Besley just turning the music stool, get ready for that, going to play the music for the Miss Meadows. When she was Miss Meadows, she gave a loud warning, shoo, shoo, girls, and Miss Meadows, her hands thrust in her sleeveless, the baton under her arm, strode down the center aisle, mounted the steps, turned sharply, seized the brass music stand, planted it in front of her, and gave 2 sharp taps with her baton for silence. At that moment, Miss Mary Besley was turned the music stools, everything. While Miss Meadows is going to the musical, she is just warning to the students. Just simply they are warning, shoo shoo, because the Miss Meadows is arrived there. So students don't make noise like that. She warned to the everyone, and her hands trusted in her sleeves. At that moment, she fold their sleeves, their hands, and keep their baton, the stick under her arm, and also walking down the center aisle. Center aisle is nothing, center part of the hall. Mounted the steps. It means started walking the steps. Turned sharply. Seized the brass music stand. At that moment, he came to the music stand. It was made up of brass. Planted it in front of her. At that time, Mary Besley planted the, it means keep the music stand before the Miss Meadows, and gave 2 sharp taps with her baton for silence. At that moment, tap the music stand for 2 times, because it is going to warn the students to make the silent without making noise. Okay, see next paragraph. Silence, please, immediately. And looking at nobody, her glance swept over the sea of colored, sea of colored uh, flannel blouses with bobbling pink face and hands, carrying butterfly hair bows and music books outspread. At that moment, Miss Meadows make the students keep silent. So inform warn the students immediately we be silent and looking at nobody, and she is not looking anybody. Her glance swept over to the sea of colored flannel blouses. At the time, he just simply moved the is looking for the students. It was making the sea colored for every children with the bubbling pink faces, because they are the foreign girls, so they are looking very pink faces. They are colorful faces. It was very pink. Informed the Miss Meadows, and hands wearing butterfly hairs bows, and also everyone are keeping their pin in her hair with the butterfly image in everyone's hair also. And music books outspread, everyone they are going to outspread the music book also. It means open their music books. She knew perfectly well what they were thinking. That time she think what the children are going to think, like that she know everything. Mary is in an wax, and also Miss Mary Besley also has some sadness. She think about that Miss Meadows has something happened in herself, like that she think. Well, let them think it. Okay, whatever it is, whatever it's going to think. Her eyelids quiet. It means at the time her eyelids was going to shaking with sadness. She tossed her head. Just simply whatever he think, Miss Meadows I can feel everything without informing anything. She is not going to said anything. So she tossed herself likely, head shaking their head. Deafing them, just leave it them. What could their thoughts of those creatures matter to some who stood there bleeding to death, faced to the heart by such a letter? So actually, why the Miss Meadows have something feel worried in his mind means have something happened in his life, because it is such a letter given the inform the one letter. She think herself, she refers to Miss Meadows think herself, where the sadness is appear in her heart means the only for the letter. Actually what is written in the letter means they given in the next paragraph, everything was written in the letter. Just see here. I feel more and more strongly that our marriage would be a mistake. Actually, it was written in the letter. Actually, who was written in the letter means Basil. Basil is the Miss Meadows going to get marriage her. Actually, Basil is the lover of Miss Meadows. See, Basil written the letter. I feel more and more strongly that our marriage would be a mistake. Basil simply replied, wrote the letter to the Miss Meadows. Basil feel that he was strongly feel that the marriage is going to be mistake, like that. It means he is not willing to get marry Miss Meadows, like that. He returned the letter. Not that I don't love you. It means he is not going to. He is not loved you, like that. He loved you very much. How much he loved means I love you as much as it possible. How much I can able to love you, that much I loved you, like that he informed. And also it is possible for me to love any woman. Actually one who is going to now, no one is woman is loved like myself, like that he loved so much. But it is not a mistake to love you, but I loved so much, like that he informed Basil. But truly to tell, I have come to the conclusion that I am not a marrying you, but I am not getting going to marry you, because I am not get so much of maturity in this life, in my life, like that he informed. And the idea of settling down fills me with nothing but actually going to get marriage after going to settle in life, it is not giving anything like me, like that. He failed. And also the word he wrote, that word disgust. Actually disgust is nothing, in Tamil we call verupu, was scratched out lightly. And also the word was little bit scratched lightly. And also written the regret is nothing, sorry, likely written in the top of the letter. It was written for Basil. The letter is read by Miss Meadows. This is the main thing to get worry for Miss Meadows. See next. Basil was a Meadows stalked over to the piano. At that moment, Miss Meadows stalked over to the piano. Just think, recall everything. Go to the nearby the piano. Just think about the Basil. Basil is the Miss Meadows lover, and Mary Beasley, who was waiting for this moment. And also Mary Beasley is waiting for the arrival of Miss Meadows. Bend forward, just she simply bent forward, and her curls is refers to as curls hair fell over her cheeks while she breathed. Good morning, Miss Meadows. And she motioned towards the rather than handed to her mistress a beautiful yellow Karisantham. Karisantham is nothing, Tamil we call the Sevandipu. At that moment, Mary Beasley is waiting to the Miss Meadows' arrival, and she simply always is going to praise Miss Meadows. So just simply she bent forward and to given the Serisantham to hand over to the Serisantham to Miss Meadows, and also she wished to Miss Meadows without motion. Without motion means without any action. Simply she hand over the Karisantham to her. Okay, see next. This little ritual is nothing happened. It was routine work. Of the flower had been gone through the edges, quite a term and a half. Actually, it was a term was over. It means the half year is over. So it was ritually. It is routinely happened for every day while going to play the music, Miss Meadows. At that moment, Mary Besley, before the starting, she given the series anthem to Miss Meadows. This is the actual going always. Actually, this is a half year. The term is over. It was a music part of the lesson as opening the piano. Actually, this is the main part of the while going to start the piano. It is important to given the series anthem to Miss Meadows. But this morning, instead of taking it off, instead of tucking it into her belt, while she leaned over Mary and said, "Thank you, Mary." But always while giving that series anthem to Miss Meadows, she simply take it and also keep it in her belt in her herself and also said, "Thank you, Mary." How very nice. Like that she always told. But turn to the page 30. This also the routine work. What was Mary's horror when Miss Meadows totally ignored the series anthem? But today, Miss Meadows ignored everything. She did not reply any thank you and also did not say any very nice like that and also did not say any take page number 30 like that. She simply ignored the series anthem also and no reply to her greeting and also did not reply to her greeting also but said in a voice of ice. Just simply she said, what she said means, page 14 please and mark the assent well. So inform to the students, take the page number 14 and also mark the assent well in your book like that. She is fully informed. Staggering woman, Mary blessed until the tears stood in her eyes, but Miss Meadows was gone back to the music stand. Her voice rang through the music hall. But at that moment, Mary Besley got so much of sadness because she feel something bad because she did not reply anything and also she don't as usually don't tell the thank you also and also they did not so ignored everything. So she was feeling so much until the tears stood in her eyes because he felt sorry until his tears is going to fall off her eyes. But Miss Meadows was gone back to the music stand. She did not care anything. She is simply going to the music stand. Her voice rang through the music hall. At the time, she started to sing the song. Page 14. Again, she said, "Students, take page 14. Well, we will begin with page 14. Okay, today we are going to start the page number 14. A lament. Lament is nothing. Today we are going to learn the music about the lament. It means sad songs. Now, girls, you have to know it by this time. But today we are going to know the sad songs. How we are going to sing the sad songs? Like that, we want to know like that. She informed. We shall take it all together. Okay, everyone just take that all together, joined everyone to take, not in pods, not in a single, everyone to gather and to take pods, don't be what, all together, join together and without expression sing the song. Don't show me your emotions with expressions. Sing very silently, sing it though quite simply. You everyone sing the song very simply and beating time with your left hand and also take your hand and also beating your music while the musician are going to sing the song. They are simply they are beating their hand like in a leg like that. She informed to the girls. Okay, see next paragraph. She raised the baton. She tapped the music stand twice. Down came Mary on the opening chord. At that moment, she refers to Miss Mary raise the baton. Raise the baton is nothing. Raise the stick. It means it indicates your voice should be high while music. It is a very interesting because while singing the song, the teachers indicate the students to raise your voice. It called the baton want to be raised. She tapped the music stand twice, but she tapped the music stand 2 times. Down came Mary on the opening chord. Chord is nothing, making the music to add the music to give the beautiful songs. Down came all those left hands. So everyone is making the hands was tapping in the leg, beating the hair, and on the chin. Those young on one full voice. Everyone was singing the song very sadly. It was mournful voice. Mournful voice is nothing, sad songs. Actually, they sang the song We have given the song here. See, fast star too fast, fat the roses are pleasure. Soon autumn yields unto winter drear. Flitty or flitty, music's guy, measure pizza pauses away from the listening here. Actually, these are music lines. Okay. Actually, I am not singing. Just I read it to you. Just find out this is the music. Okay. Okay, student. We will continue the next class, next story. Thank you for your cooperation.